afadhali airudishe juu hata serikali inachunguza hii maneno.
And Principal Secretary Blue Economy Besti Muthoni Njage has lauded the growth of Kenya's blue economy, revealing that cage aquaculture alone contributes Kenya shillings 8.7 billion to the country's GDP. Overall, this sector generates about Kenya shillings 37 billion annually. Njage said with proper investment, the blue economy has the potential to grow to between Kenya shillings 150 and 300 billion, creating sustainable livelihoods in coastal counties like Kilifi, Lamu and Mombasa through ventures such as fishing, maritime transport, shipping and even beekeeping.
We are doing a lot of technology interventions with our marine institutes. We are doing a lot of bioprospecting, whereby we use the products from the deep sea to do pharmaceutical and makeup products.
Wanjiko Wanjiru, KTN.
In Kibra, the pain of loss continues to weigh heavily on families of 8 victims who perished